Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So, I'm on my way to Manheim. Manheim Auction is today. I've been checking it out every week, but I haven't been in a while. I might watch it online. So I watched it last week. They had a lot of great deals run through. So I was like, but you know me, I didn't really get to touch the cars, even though I'm good at gambling. Well, I'm good for gambling, let's say that. On some of the cars or whatever, but I was just like, well, if I can just pull up and touch some of them, let's do that. You know what I'm saying? So we on our way, man. Hopefully, because I know on auction day it'd be a little packed, so hopefully I can get a little footage of some of the cars or whatever. And then when the auction start, you know, watch it online live. You know, I might even record that. But they've been having some cool little scrapes. Right now, lately, man, I've been fooling with ACV auction, man. I think ACV is one of the best auctions that I didn't, you know, really just been messing with, because just the fact that, you know, they look over their cars and they really list them for what they are. You know what I'm saying? And some of them other auctions, like the bigger auctions, they don't really, like, if you bidding online, you gambling. Even if you in person, you kind of gambling. Especially if you ain't no mechanic for real, you know? So, if you haven't been on ACV Auto Auction, dealers only, online, you need to get on there. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, they have a no reserve auctions. So, they have several cars that go through, no reserve. So if you bid on it, what you bid on it, you the highest bidder, it's pretty much yours. Yeah, so I just pulled up to Manheim, man. Let me see if I can get in and get some. When I get back, I'll holler back here in a minute. Yo, so I made it back, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if we get some footage. Quite a few cars going through today. Let me see if I can put my app up. I be getting their lanes mixed up, man. I know all of them going, but I don't know if it's those two. So what lane is this? A 2006 Acura MDX. I guess I'm gonna have to try to scan them. What they want for this tile? I got some Amazon. 14 tile. Airflow. Pretty clean, got the screen. Go to the engine lights. Engine tripping, hold on. Sound good. I wonder who on them. Financial, who got them? We're marking it by element. institution, man. Camaro. Matte black. Ew. No, sir. It's the 2006. 244,000 miles. Adult ride service Cardano. Yeah, nah, that ain't it. A lot of these are smaller dealers. I don't see nothing. I don't see where the big dealers is at. Corbin Financial. This might be something. I got 109,000 miles. What's that bumper hanging off? Not too bad though. Might go for a little bit of nothing. See if the air blowing. Really, online they got a lot of stuff, but when you get here, you don't see none of it. They done left it on, right? They done left it. People do that on purpose. They'll leave the key back. It's kind of filthy though. These cars been filthy lately. Like, dang, try to get up in that thing. Dang. That man. What they try to do. I think this Transit is 2016. Oh, you only got 80,000 miles. Yeah, I don't know, man. It seems like they missing some lanes, man. Cause this ain't this. I don't even see the Equinox or none of that. So this ain't the. What lane is this? Auto remarketing. Infinity all-wheel drive. Q50. Q70. Like all they cars, we just one only start at he start. Yeah, he start 69,000 miles on him. He gonna go high. He stink. That dash go hard though. Infinity. He stink, man. He probably gonna go high though. 2015 model. Let me at least start this model. Auto remarketing. Nah, that ain't coming from a big dealership, man. They probably got a high reserve on it. Smashed up Altima. Colonial Auto Finance. $209. He might go cheap. Johnny. He start like a Johnny. Super rough. Airflow though. Do it. Dang. Oh man, he over with. He probably gonna go for 200-300. He over with, gang. He need a back glass. What's this little scrape gonna go for? A little Kia 193. That's, ooh, whoa. What he still go for? That back glass roll up. Whoa. No. And this big mug running through. When does he sell? A14? Yeah, they running. All of these running. So these must be the bigger dealerships. They running 812, so they're not running. This is why every time I watch Manheim online, it's like, man, I should have went. But then when I get here, it always be like, that's why I don't come out here. So I gotta try to find. Let's just keep going. Let's see. It's an Equinox, Eco Stars, Kia Serrano. All of these is like smaller dealers, man. Grace Skillman GMC truck. Oh, they should be dead. I don't feel like I got my jump life, but I don't feel like fooling with it. I just want. That's why ACV is cool, because they ship the car to me. I got my little scrape I'm gonna have to show y'all. 2012 Elantra. Run and drive real well. Filthy. But run and drive very, very well. Yeah, this ain't all the cars. This is I guess this is all the cars. Dragonfly. Colonial Auto Finance. Equinox. Oh, he stink, boy. And he don't start. This is why, man. This is the Kia Optima. You know, Forte. Colonial Finance. 64,000 miles, they gonna run that up. I wonder what that Tahoe go for. Most of the air don't run up in these. Almost all of them. He ain't too bad though. Yeah, the air blown. Well, there it go. Yeah, he blown. Tahoe.
Morning, brother. How are you?
What's going on, man? I made American credit. Bing. Trading. This was a repo. Had to be filthy. Yeah, man. Man, I don't really see nothing. Let me walk back here and just make sure that I'm not tripping. Make sure I'm not tripping on some of these cars over here, and just make sure they ain't running through. And I'm looking at all the cars, because I think they had about 89 running through, but that don't seem like 89, and they all buckets. For real, for real. Let me see what these say. Oh, they're 731, so them is cars that I already went through. So yeah, man, I don't really see nothing for real, gang. We're just coming to do a slight walkthrough, see what Manheim had, and absolutely nothing, man. Absolutely nothing, man. I'll see y'all in a minute.